Alright, so I'm not going to pretend I know what I'm talking about. But if you walk around the New Forest, there's certain little buildings and brick areas and little strange things. And the New Forest played a big part in training soldiers, I believe. This is when people write in and correct me. But played a big part in training people and soldiers and stuff in the Second World War. So, and there's lots of little buildings and bits and bobs as you walk through the forest that you'll see just left over. This is a good one because it's got a sign and it actually tells you something about it. So I've filled the sign, so instead of pretending I know what I'm talking about, I'll just put a few seconds of the sign up for you and you can read about it. So yeah, it's quite exciting though when you come across them, but this one's quite easy to find, so yeah. Anyway. Okay, so I've got deer just over there, and every single one knows that I'm here. So I don't think I'm going to get a good picture, but they haven't run away yet. So I'm just going to chill here. I don't know, I don't really want to make them run away because they're quite relaxed. I don't want to ruin their day as such. I'm not sure there's any point. Not sure that there's any point really trying to get any better without. I don't know, it's just not worth upsetting them over it. Yeah, they're already waiting to go. Every single one of them knows that I'm here. They're all looking at me. If I can get through there, that might be a better thing. Oh, look at them. They're amazing. She is beautiful. So this is a situation where, oh yeah, lovely. I'm not really capturing anything outstanding. I'll show you one or two because even though it's not the best shot in the world, you know, it's lovely when you see deer. Absolutely lovely. So what I'm actually doing now is moving away from the deer because they went a little bit further away from me. And started to resettle. So there's no point taking a risk of getting closer. They're just not going to let me get closer because they know I'm here. So there's no point ruining their rest time, me trying to get a photo. But actually that was a lovely moment. I'm not sure quite how the photos came out, but I will show you something. So that is really lovely. I just love seeing deer in the forest. So yeah, excuse me, I am walking up a hill. I'm unbelievably unfit. Anyway, onwards. it. This is the bridge I came over at the beginning. So I don't think there's another picture. It's getting dark. The sky's looking quite exciting though. I think we might get a thunderstorm or some sort of rain at some point, but I've got to get back now. So I'd like to say we did get a photo, I think. I'll show you, the deer came up trump, so I'll show you those pictures if I haven't already. And I'd just like to say thank you for watching all the way through. You've done really well to make it this far. If you did like the video, please like it, really helps the channel. If you feel like subscribing, that would be amazing, and feel free to leave any comments you would like to leave as well, because I love reading them all, even, you know, advice for how to improve everything. So anyway, thank you very much, and I will see you again next time. Take care, bye bye.